An enforcement warrant for redirection of earnings is a legal tool that allows the judgment creditor to have part of a debtor's wages directed to satisfy a debt when other recovery methods have not been successful. When a creditor obtains a judgment, the next step is enforcement. An enforcement warrant for redirection of earnings authorises an employer or payer of income to deduct an agreed proportion of the debtor's wages or other periodic payments and send those amounts directly to the creditor. The process ensures regular payment of the debt over time rather than waiting for a lump sum payment. To obtain an enforcement warrant for redirection of earnings, the creditor must apply to the appropriate court or tribunal for the necessary enforcement order, demonstrating that a valid judgment exists and that other enforcement options have been considered. The court will then issue a warrant specifying the amounts to be redirected and how the deductions are to be administered. Once in place, the warrant is served on the employer or payer, who becomes legally obliged to make the deductions and forward them to the creditor. The amount and frequency of deductions are governed by statutory limits to ensure that the debtor remains sufficient income for basic living expenses. Employers must comply with the warrant once served, and failure to do so can result in penalties. Enforcement warrants for redirection of earnings provide an important mechanism for creditors to recover debts in an orderly way while balancing the debtor's capacity to meet ongoing living costs. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of debt recovery professionals and let us help you protect your rights.